everybody, Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, we're catching big bass on the Tiemco Big Cicada. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. I want to welcome you to the next video here. Super excited in this video because in this video, I'm fishing with the Tiemco Big Cicada bug. And I'm super excited about this one because in this video, you're going to watch me catch literally the biggest bass of this season for me on Topwater on a cicada bug. And I'm just super excited about that because I was put myself in the right situation at the right time with the right lure, and I just made it happen. And I'm really excited about that. So what I want to do now is I want to jump on over, give you a quick review of this lure, give you my thoughts on it. Then I'm going to get you right out on the water so you can see it in action. All right. All right, everybody, here is our look at the Tiemco Big Cicada. And just from the size of it right here, you can see that the actual size is 2.75 in actual length. And the weight of it is actually a half an ounce. Also, something that you should know is that these wings here that are plastic are 1.5 inches from body to end is about 1.5 inches. And one of the things about this cicada here, as you can see, is it really has a true lifelike appearance to it here. Really looks like a cicada bug here. Has one really big knocker in it, and it is a crawler. So it crawls right to left, and it's got really big, stout hooks, as you can see right here. I didn't even have to add a feather to this particular one because this lure gives off so much action that the bass truly do key on the body of this particular lure right here. So I probably won't change out any of the hooks on this one right here. I'll just leave it as is. But what I wanted to do was give everybody, and also look at that design within the wings itself right there. I want to show you that as well. It has even down to the wings. They have the actual threading inside of the wings here. So this company really took time to design this lure to look just like a true cicada bug. So that's your closer look. All right. Okay, we're back. Hope you enjoyed that review of the Tiemco Big Cicada. I want to go ahead right quick, just give you some stats on this lure right here. I want to show it to you once again here. As you can see right here, this is the actual Tiemco Cicada, and this is just a really awesome lure right here. I didn't know what to expect when I first got this lure. I first bought this lure, and this lure has really proven in the right situations to be a lure that can catch big bass. So what I want to do is give you a little bit of information on this lure here. First and foremost, I actually bought it at the Fishing Tackle Shop .au, which is in Australia. So I bought it on an Australian website, but the US price for it was $18.90. I probably spent about $10 on shipping to get it over here to me. So that's what I actually spent to actually get this lure over here. But I would definitely say it is well worth the investment. And it's got great, like I said before, great construction, great design and detail. They really went down to the elements here to make this a great lure that walks really well. On the tackle, for this particular lure, I was fishing my 6'9" medium heavy. I had 40-pound braid on a bait caster, and this is normally a rod setup that I use when I'm fishing heavy cover, heavy lily pads. But in this particular case, I knew I was going to be fishing in some kind of like, not bad water, not tough water, but I just knew that this kind of lure required me to have a little bit heavier equipment to be able to get the most out of it. So that's the actual equipment that I was fishing with for this particular lure here. So I wanted to kind of tell you the equipment that I was using on this particular lure here as well. Also, the other thing that I want to talk to you about is that Mondays I'm going to be showcasing me fishing, and then when I come out with my Thursday video every week, I'm going to try something a little bit different, and I want to get your thoughts and feedback about it as I go through this process. But this coming up Thursday, I'm going to release a video called the top 5 topwater bass fishing lures for beginners. So it's going to be my top 5 topwater bass fishing lures for beginners. So that's what this video is going to be about on Thursday. All about if you're starting off topwater fishing. I have people always ask me what lures should I use if I'm just starting out. So I wanted to create a video where I talk about the five lures I would use to start my topwater bass fishing. So that's kind of going to be the first one. After that, I'm going to do the top 5 topwater lures for the fall. Then another one, top 5 lures for fishing at night, fishing on windy days, fishing when the seasons are changing, fishing for special situations. So I'm going to do this top 5 lures coming up here just about every Thursday. I want to do that. So I want to get you guys' thoughts about that, what you think about it as I go through it. But every Monday, I'll always show you some me fishing with a topwater lure and doing what I do best, which is showcasing it, talking about it, and catching fish on it. Okay, last thing, as always, is I want to make sure that everyone understands what I'm doing with the text messaging. I'm not sending out any text messages until I build that up a little bit more. So that's kind of what my focus is right now, is to build it up before I start sending out messages to everyone, alerting them. But in order to win my Topwater Lure giveaways, in order to stay connected to me when I do start doing notifications, it's important that you go ahead and respond to the text message. In order to do that, and I want to make sure everybody knows what it is again, it is 31996. That is 31996. That's what you text. Then you put the word Topwater in. It should be on the screen right here. 31996. And then the word Topwater in the message box. And that will put you on my text alert system so that we can stay connected. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel as well, because you got to subscribe as well. So you got to be a part of the text community, and you got to be able to have subscribed. And once you do all those things, now you're connected to me. So that's what I wanted to share with everybody here. I'm super excited about this video because it's going to really show that topwater stuff in action. So I don't want to waste any more time. I want to thank everybody for subscribing. I want to welcome those that are new, and let's get to the water and get this started. All right. Good morning, everybody. And here it is. This is what topwater heaven looks like right here. That water is dead flat. That means with a slight, small little movement. This is perfect for frogs, poppers, crawlers. This is what it's about right here. So I just wanted to show you what I'm looking at this morning, and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right. Everybody's Topwater Johnny, and we are out at the lake, and we're going to be fishing for monsters on giant cicada, this giant cicada bug right here. So let's go ahead and get started and see what'll happen. All right. There we go. On the cicada. Woo! That's going to be a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a big one. Woo! Look at that. What? Oh my God. On the cicada. Oh my God, everybody. That is a monster. That's what we came here for. Look at the size of him. Look at that mouth. This is a big fish right here. Big fish. Wow. Oh, look at this one, everybody. I can't even hold him out that far. That's a big fish. Let's see how much this one weighs. Oh my God. This fish 4.87. Wow. She is a monster. Look at that mouth on that one. Wow. Oh, almost 5 pounds, everybody, on a cicada. On a cicada, on a big cicada bug. Look at that. That is a monster fish right there. That is a monster. Look at that beast right there. That is a monster right there, everybody. Almost 5 pounds, almost my personal best on a Topwater Lure Cicada. This is a monster. All right. Woo! Look at that, everybody. That was a cicada bug. The big cicada that I bought from Australia just put in a big fish. That cicada bug did it, man. Woo! That's my biggest of the year. Super excited, man. Super excited. All right, then. There we go. Another cicada. There we go. There we go. Got another one here on that cicada. On that cicada. They're looking up, seeing those bugs. There we go. On that cicada right there. Nailed him. Look at that. Totally committed to it. There he is. Totally committed to that cicada bug. All right. Got a nice one here. Not as big as the last one, but a nice one on that cicada. All right. All I can say is that cicada's putting in work. They want that big cicada now. They're chasing those dragonflies, then they want this cicada. All right. There we go. There we go, everybody. On that big cicada. On that big cicada. Oh, woo! On. Oh, on that cicada bug right there. Whew, wow. There we go, everybody. Saw that cicada bug and could not resist it. All right, right there. Saw that cicada bug, could not resist it. Hey, everybody, Topwater Johnny. There we go on that jumbo cicada bug. This is our third one. Got a big one, got another one, and now I got this one on that cicada. So we have been doing it on that jumbo cicada from Tiemco, the Tiemco lure. It is a great lure and it's putting in work. All right. All right. There it is on that jumbo cicada. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Wow. This was a great one today, folks. That Tiemco big cicada put in work. And what we were able to do with that cicada was catch literally my biggest bass of the year on top water out here on the lake. And I'm just super excited about that. That was just huge. And to catch it on a really big cicada bug, that's also really nice too, because normally I fish with the small ones. And this particular time we was rocking with a really big cicada and we got a big bass, and we got a few big bass on it as well. So I was just so excited about that, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Please be sure to join my text notification. I haven't started sending out notifications yet because I'm trying to build everything up. So if you join, once I get to a certain number, then I'll start sending out those text notifications so that you are notified, but also so that you can be a part of all of my giveaways. So the text notification, once again, you have to text 31996 and the word Topwater. That's 31996 and the word Topwater. That will put you on a text notification squad. You'll be a part of that, and you'll be able to be notified when I start releasing my text notices. So I just want to let everybody know that and clarify that as well. But I just want to thank everybody for watching me out here putting in work. And also, please like and subscribe to the channel. And definitely remember that phrase, keep your line tight. Because when they hit those topwater lures, especially those Tiemco Big Cicadas, it's going to be a big bite. All right.